Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.